Morning. We're getting ready to start another project here with the Dec-Tec membrane. Unit owner had a leak in their bathroom down below. The balcony patio deck is above that. So yeah, we just wanted to show you how we go about taking care of that. It also had a leak behind the siding. So you'll see our guys pulling off a wall of the siding and replacing some wood there. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how we go about doing that, and let you know that we do have a service here that we can refurbish your patio deck for you. So let us show you what we got here. So you can see the water was actually leaking at. Again, right here in the seam here where it came loose, and it's been leaking for quite some time here at the siding. And there was a blowing dry rain can get in between the J channel and up underneath of the fissure there. Okay, so as you can see here, we got the old rotted wood taken out of there, and we got a new membrane down. So you can see our tech measuring it off. So this balcony will be pretty much encapsulated with the Dec-Tec membrane. It'll be nice and watertight, and the homeowner won't have any more leaks coming inside the home there. So we'll be right back with the finished product here. Okay, we got everything finished up here, coming down the home stretch, all finished up. We replaced the wood here that was behind the siding, so we got everything nice and tight here all the way around, and got the new membrane down. So yeah, if you can use this service, we entice you to look us up, check us out, and yeah, give us a call, and thank you.